Last one.
I want to go home. Good morning guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Denny. Hope everybody's great. Okay, so on Wednesdays and Saturdays I'll be posting content. On a Wednesday I'll be doing my weight loss / fitness journey, and on Saturdays I'll be posting any other kind of content, whether it's travel, a day out, a day in my life, anything on a everything else on a Saturday. But Wednesdays is my fitness and weight loss journey, so I'm going to be showing the things I've been doing in the gym for the last couple months, pieces of it actually, and I give you all introduction to my trainer. So everybody have a blessed one. Remember to like, comment, subscribe to Denny's channel. I'm out. That's the beast. Gorilla Fit. This is the beast, my trainer, Dwayne Jackson. Do you want to tell them anything? Want to follow you on Instagram?
The fact that she's videotaping and not working out is stressing my soul.
Guys, already workouts already, yeah? Gorilla Fit. This was have to deal with every week.